Cooking with Kids and Tall Friends, Episode 16, Bread in a Bag.
Jason pointed to the screen.
We're making bread today.
Nina yawned loudly.
Excuse me.
Chef
She frowned.
Nina, are you bored with cooking?
Nina felt embarrassed.
Oh no, Chef. My little sister has an earache. She woke up last night crying. I didn't sleep well.
I see. Well, try to stay awake today in class.
Nina nodded. Chef put
poured 4 large bowls on the counter.
He gave
Give
everyone a plastic bag.
Mix your dough in these bags. Putting the bags in a bowl makes it easier to add ingredients.
Poor Lulu.
Izzy whispered.
Earaches hurt.
Nina nodded.
Mom is bringing her to the doctor today.
The
Kids put their bags in the bowls.
They poured
They
in
put
1 cup of flour and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Then they added the yeast
and warm water.
Now seal your bags. Make sure all the air is out.
Chef said. The kids
Kids
sealed the bags and mixed the ingredients. Bobby read from the recipe.
Let dough sit for 10 to 15 minutes.
His face
Lit
lit up.
up.
Let's go outside.
No, we'll learn something instead.
Chef
Chef said.
Yeast is a fungus. The warm water activates it. The yeast feeds off the sugar and it starts fermenting. That makes the dough rise.
Izzy
made a face.
Ew! We're eating fungus. Do you eat mushrooms? They're a fungus.
Jason said.
That's right.
Chef said. Soon it was time to add more ingredients. The kids added salt, olive oil, and another cup of flour.
We mix everything together. Then we add the last cup of flour.
Jason said.
Bobby
He
sighed.
And mix again.
Chef laid out parchment paper and sprinkled it with flour.
Put flour on your hands, too. That way the dough won't stick to them.
The kids
Placed
placed their dough on the paper. Chef set the timer for 10 minutes.
We knead for 10 minutes. Kneading dough makes me feel better when I'm in a bad mood.
I hope it works today.
Bobby whispered to Jason.
Jason laughed. Suddenly, Nina had an idea. She
She pounded her dough.
She
She folded it.
She
She squeezed it.
Take that, you mean earache.
She
thought.
Stop hurting Lulu.
The other
The others
kids
got tired, but Nina didn't.
She
She
kept
kept
kneading.
kneading.
When the
When
timer
the timer
went
went
off,
off,
they formed
formed
loaves with the dough. They covered the
Covered
loaves
it
with warm, damp towels.
The dough needs to rise. Time to clean up.
Chef said. The kids washed dishes, wiped the counters, and swept the floor.
I'm going to give my loaf to Lulu.
Nina said to Izzy.
Izzy grinned.
Good idea. Cool.
Bobby pointed to the loaves.
They're rising.
Chef
Chef
nodded.
nodded.
The yeast gives off carbon dioxide and makes the bread rise.
Soon he
He
put
put
the
the
loaves in the oven. A
A
while
while
later,
later,
Nina's mother walked in with
Lulu.
Lulu, let's go outside. I'll show you the animals.
Nina said.
Lulu met the goats and chickens.
She loved
And
petting Cinnamon. When the
When the bread was ready,
they went back inside.
Look, Lulu, I made this bread for you.
Nina said.
Lulu
Lulu clapped.